Namaste. Basics of computer introduction. In this lesson, will present an overview of the basic design of a computer system, how the different parts of a computer system are organized and various operations performed to perform a specific task. You would have observed that instructions have to be fed into computer in a systematic order in order to perform a specific task. Computer components are divided into two major categories, namely hardware and software. In this lesson, we will categorize namely hardware and software. In this lesson, we will discuss about hardware, that is the machine itself and its connected devices such as monitor, keyboard, mouse, etc., as well as software that makes use of hardware for performing various functions, objectives. After going through this lesson, you would be able to explain basic organization of computer system and explain different types of input and output devices, define software and its classification, distinguish between various software and application software, describe computer language and its classification. What is a computer? Computer is a device that performs data into meaningful information. Data can be anything like marks obtained by you in various subjects. It can also be name, age, sex, weight, height, etc. Of all the students in a class. Computer can be defined in terms of functions it can perform. Computer can accept data, store data, process data as desired, retrieve and store data and as and when required, and print the result in desired format. The major characteristics of a computer are high speed, accuracy, diligence, versatility, storage, computer organization. The block diagram of computer is shown in figure 1.1. Input unit, memory unit, control unit, arithmetic logical unit, control unit, memory unit, output unit. Block diagram of computer organization. The computer performs basically five major operations of constant irrespective of their size and make. These are: it can accept data or instruction by way of input, it stores data, it can process data as required by the user, it gives results in the form of output, and it controls all operations inside a computer. We will discuss each below each of these operations. This is the process of entering data and programs into computer system. Control unit, see the control unit, the process of input output processing and storage performed under the supervision of a unit called control unit. It decides when to start receiving data, when to store data. It can it takes care of step by step processing of all the processes inside the computer. Memory unit, computer is used to store data and instructions. Arithmetic logic unit, ALU. The major operations performed by the ALU is addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and logic comparison. Output, this is the process of producing results from data for getting useful information. Yeah, the ALU and the CPU of a computer can are jointly known as central processing unit. CPU may call CPU as the brain of any computer system. Peripheral devices are connected to the computer externally. These devices are used for performing some specific functions. The peripheral devices are as follows: input devices, output devices, other peripherals. Different peripheral devices of computer: monitor, keyboard, disk drives, mouse. Input devices, the input devices of data and instructions from the user. The following are the examples of various input devices which are connected to the computer for this purpose: keyboard, mouse, light pen, optical source, magnetic scanner, touch screen, phone microphone for voice as input, trackball, keyboard. The keyboard can shown in figure 1.3. The most common input device. Several kinds of keyboards are available, but they are very resemble each other with minor variations. The keyboard, the most common use is QWERTY board. Generally, a standard keyboard has 204 keys. In these keyboards, the the control keys are duplicated to allow easily use of the numerical pad. Mouse chain, electromechanical handheld device as shown in figure 1.4. It is used as pointer. It can perform various functions. Like selecting menu commands, moving icons, resizing windows, starting programs, and choosing options. Mouse, the most common mouse usage is an internal magnetically coated ball to detect the movement of the mouse across a flat surface, usually a desktop. Nowadays, optical or laser mouse is used to detect the movement. All Windows and based computer applications today are designed to work with a mouse. A mouse is used to replace hard to Remember key combinations with easier point and click actions. However, it can substitute all keyboard operations. It can be alternative for commands based operations. Light pen, an input device that utilizes light sensitive detector to select objects on display screen. A light pen is similar to a mouse as shown in figure 1.5, except that with a light pen you can move the pointer and select objects in the display screen by directly pointing to the objects with the pen. Optical scanner, these devices are used for automatic data collection. The devices of this category completely eliminate manual input of data. For example, the barcode reader is actually just a special type of image scanner. An image scanner translates printed images into an electronic format that can be stored in a computer's memory. And with the kind of software one can alter a stored image. Another example of scanner is optical character recognition (OCR) device used by banks to convert the scanned image of a type or printed page into text that can be edited on the computer. Touch screen, touch panel displays and pads are now being offered as alternative to keyboard. Here the input can be given through the computer screen, and that accepts the input through monitor. Users touch electronic buttons displayed on the screen, or they may use light pen. Touch screen monitor. Microphone. The microphone is an input device which takes voice as input. The voice communication is more error prone than information keyboard through keyboard. There are two types of microphones available as shown in figure 1.5: desktop microphone and handheld microphone. Trackball, a pointing device, is a mouse lying on its back as shown in figure 1.5. To move the pointer, you rotate the ball with your thumb, your fingers, or the palm of your hand. There are usually 1 to 3 buttons next to the ball which you use just like mouse buttons. The advantage of trackball over mouse is that the trackball is stationary, so it does not require much space to use it. In addition, you can replace a trackball on any kind of surface, including your lap. For these reasons, trackballs are popular pointing devices for portable computers. Output devices return processed data that is information for back to the user. Some of the commonly used output devices are monitor, usually visual display unit, printers, plotters, speakers, monitor. One of all the output devices, monitor as shown in figure 1.10 is perhaps the most common important output device because people can interact with this device most alternatively than others. Computer information is displayed visually with the video adapter and card, and monitor information processed with CPU that needs to visually display is sent to the video adapter. The video adapter converts information from the format used the same manner as a television displays information sent to it by a cable service. The two basic types of monitors are used with microcomputers, which are as follows: CRT LED, cathode ray tube. CRT or cathode ray tube monitor is the typical monitor that you see on a desktop computer. It looks like a lot like a television screen and works the same way. This type uses a large vacuum tube and called cathode ray tube. CRT, liquid crystal display LCD. This type of monitors are also known as the flat panel monitor. Most of these employ liquid crystal display LCDs to render images. These LCD monitors are very popular when people talk about the capabilities of various monitors. One critical statistics as the resolution of the monitor. Most monitors have a resolution of at least 800 to 600 pixels. High-end monitors can have resolutions of 1024 into 768 pixels, or even 1280 into 1024 pixels. These monitors are available either in low resolution or in a high resolution printer. After a document is created on the computer, it can be sent to a printer for a hard copy printout. Some printers offer special features such as color and large scale formats. Some of the most commonly used printers are laser printers, inkjet printer, dot matrix printer, line printer. Laser printer produces high quality print that one normally finds in publishing. It is extremely fast and quite how. Moreover, the operations of a laser printer is easy with the automatic paper loading and not smudging or messing up of ink ribbons. The fastest laser printer can print up to 200 pages or 200 pages per minute in monochrome black and white, and up to 100 pages per minute in color. Inkjet printer. An inkjet printer creates a image directly on the paper by spraying ink through as many as 64 tiny nozzles. Although the image it produces is not generally quite as sharp as output of a laser printer, the quality of inkjet print images is still high. In general, inkjet printers offer an excellent middle ground between dotmatics and laser printer. Like laser printer, an inkjet printer is quite inconvenient but not particularly fast. Inkjet printer. Typically, an inkjet printer is more expensive than a dotmatics printer, but costs only half as much as a large laser printer. Dot matrix printer. The dot matrix printer was very popular at one point of time. It is a very versatile and inexpensive powerful device. In dot matrix printer, the print head basically hits the paper through the ribbon and produces text for images by combinations of dots. Hence, the name dot matrix printer. Its speed is measured in characters per second (CPS). Although it is less expensive, it is slower and produces lower print quality. Line printer. A line printer is generally used with large computer systems to produce text-based data processing reports. Line printers are high-speed printers with high speeds ranging anywhere from 100 to about 1,800 lines per minute. In the past, print quality on the printers was not high. Developments in the technology are improving the print quality on the printers. These are in these are in the cost range of lakhs of rupees. Plotter. A plotter is a special kind of output device that like a printer, produces images on paper, but does so in a different way. Plotters are designed to produce large drawings or images such as instructions, plans for buildings, or blueprints for mechanical objects. Plotter can be connected to the report normally used by a printer. An array of different colored pens in a clip rack and robotic arm is part of plotter. The instructions that a plotter receives from a computer consist of a color beginning and the coordinates for a line. With that information, the plotter picks up the appropriate pen through its arm, positions it at the beginning coordinates, drops the pen down to the surface of the paper, and draws for to the ending coordinates. Plotters draw curves by creating a sequence of very short straight line. Plotters usually come in two designs: plot flatbed plotters of small size to kept on board on table with restriction of paper size drum. These plotters are of big size using rolls of paper of unlimited length. Flatbed and drum plotter. Speakers as shown in figure 1.16 are another type of audio device which allow you to listen to voice like music and conversation with people. Software. As you are aware, computer cannot do anything on its own. It is the user who constructs computer that what to do, how to do, and when to do. In order to perform any task, you have to give a set of instructions in particular sequence to the computer. These sets of instructions are called programs. Software refers to a set of programs that makes the hardware perform in a particular set of tasks in particular order. Softwares can be classified mainly into following categories and subcategories as in figure 1.17. Software. System software, operating system, utilities, application software, generalized packages, customized packages. Classification of softwares. System software. When you switch on the computer, program stored in ROM are executed, which activates different units of your computer and makes it ready for you to work on it. This set of programs can be called system software. System software are sets of programs responsible for running the computer, controlling various operations of computer system, and management of computer resources. Operating system OS falls into this category. An operating system is a software that provides an interface for a user to communicate with the computer and manages hardware devices like disk drives, keyboards, monitors. It is manages and maintains disks, maintains systems, and the supports applications programs. Some popular operating systems are Unix, Windows, and Linux. All the operating system provides all the features the users and need to use and maintain their systems. Inevitably, they still do not meet anyone's expectations. This has led to another type of system software called utilities. These are programs that bridge the gap between the functions of an OS and the need of users. Utility programs are a broad category of software such as compress, uncompress, zip unzip files software, antivirus software, split and join file software, etc. Application software is a set of programs which are written to perform specific tasks. For example, an application package for managing libraries such as library information system is used to manage information software libraries such as keeping book details, account holders details, book issue details, book return details, etc. Another application packages for managing student details is called a students information system. Manages students roll number, name, parents name, address, class, section, processing of examination results. Its application softwares can be broadly classified into two types: generalized packages, customized packages. Generalized packages, these are user-friendly softwares written to cater to users very general needs such as preparing documents, drawing pictures, play games. It is a group of programs that provides general purpose tools to solve specific problems. Some of the generalized packages are listed below: Word process software for preparing documents, Word Perfect MS, Word, OpenOffice.com, .org, Writer, spreadsheets, data analysis, Lotus, Smart Suites, MS Excel, OpenOffice.org, Calc, Apple numbers, presentation graphics, MS PowerPoint, OpenOffice.org, Impress, database management system, MS Access, OpenOffice.org, Base, MS SQL Server, Oracle graphics tools in Paint, Photoshop Pro, Adobe Photoshop, customized packages. These are the applications that are customized or developed to meet the specific requirements of organizations or institutions. For example, students information details, payroll packages, inventory control. These packages are developed using high-level computer languages. Languages are a means of communication. Normally, people may interact with each other through a language on the same pattern. Communicates with computers. Communication with computers is carried out through a language. This language understood by both by user and the machine. Thus, as every language like English, Hindi has its grammatical rules. Every computer language is bound by rules. None is syntax of that language. The user is bound by that syntax while communicating with the computer system. Computer languages are broadly classified as low-level language. The term low-level means closeness to the way in which machine understands. The low-level language are machine language. This is a language in the form of 0 and 1 called binary numbers, zeros and ones called binary numbers, understood directly by the computer. It is machine independent. It is difficult to learn and even difficult to write programs. Assembly language. This is a language where the machine codes comprises of zeros and ones are substituted by symbols. Codes called mnemonics to improve their understanding. This is the first step to improve programming structure. Assembly language programming is easier, simpler, and less time consuming than machine language programming. It is easier to locate correct errors in assembly language than in machine language programs. It is also machine dependent. Programmers must have knowledge of the machine on which the program will run. High-level language. You know that the low-level language requires extensive knowledge of the hardware. Since it is machine dependent, to overcome the limitation, high-level language has been evolved which uses limitation. High-level language has been evolved which uses normal English like easy to understand statements to solve any problem. High level language are computer dependent and programming becomes quite easy and simple. Very high level language are given below. Basic beginners all purpose symbolic instruction code is widely used to learn general purpose language mainly used in microcomputers in earlier days. COBOL, common business-oriented language, understand a standardized language used for the commercial applications, support and formula translation developed for solving mathematical and scientific problems. One of the most popular language among the scientific community. C structured programming language used for all purposes such as scientific application, commercial application, developing games, etc. C++ popular object-oriented programming language used for general purpose compiler and assembler. As you know, the high-level language is machine independent and assembly language though it is machine dependent, yet mnemonics are the that are being used to represent the instructions are not directly directly understood by machine. Hence, to make the machine understand the instructions provided by both the language and compiler and assembler are required to convert these instructions into machine language. The software set of programs that reads a software set of programs that reads a program written in high level language and translated into an equivalent program in the machine language is called a compiler. The program written by the computer is high level language is called software program, and the program generated by the compiler after translation is called object programming. Source program, a high level language compiler. Object program, machine language computer compiler. Thus, this is the software program set of programs that treats the program written in assembly language and translated into an equivalent program in machine language is called the software set of programs that treats the program written in assembly language and translated into equivalent program in machine language is called assembler. What, what you have learned a computer sorry a computer is useful only when it interacts with external devices such as keyboard, mouse, monitor, speaker, which are called as peripheral devices. In this lesson, we have discussed in detail about major peripheral devices of the computer system. You have learned that only hardware does not do anything of its own without help of software. Hence, we have explained in details about software, its types, and computer languages used to prepare the software terminal. Sorry. Thank you. F or increase erasure. Control plus shortcut keys of computers. CTRL plus A select all, CTRL plus B bold, CTRL plus C copy, CTRL plus D font, CTRL plus C text to center, CTRL plus F find, CTRL plus G go to, CTRL plus H replace, CTRL plus I italic, CTRL plus justify, CTRL plus cage hyperlink, CTRL plus L live text to left, CTRL plus M move to tabular, CTRL plus a new page, CTRL plus O open, CTRL plus P print, CTRL plus Q quit window, CTRL plus R text to right, CTRL plus S swipe, CTRL plus T remove to text, CTRL plus U underline, CTRL plus P paste, CTRL plus to close window, CTRL plus X cut, CTRL plus redo forward, CTRL plus Z undo repeat. Control plus Shift plus WordPad for a font increase size increase. Control plus Shift plus greater than, Control plus Shift plus smaller than, forward font size decrease. Subscript Control plus equal, superscript Control plus Shift plus line spacing. Subscript Control plus equal, superscript Control plus Shift plus. Profit loss from life 10 I get 10 greater than G10 print if I 10 greater than G10 loss, no profit, no loss. Loss amount f sub sum if L9 greater than smaller than 0, f minus subtract profit amount equals to J9 minus H9 sum L9 semicolon L18 sum J9 colon sum L9 colon L18 sum J9 colon J18 count if F7 colon AL17L count if F7 AL17A count if F7 AL17H count if A7 F7 AL17B AJ7 minus AK7 minus AL7 by 2 minus AM7 net sorry equals to E7 slash AJ7 into AN7. What is Excel? Actually, the software program created by Microsoft that uses spreadsheets to organize numbers and data with formula and functions. What are the uses of MS Excel? To store and analyze and report making bills or circulate large amount with formulas. Book one default name file tools name box slash formula bar name bar slash name box formula bar A B C D F G H 1 2 3 4 5 colon cell rows for selection exit for selection for move any part for copy formula any text part copy plus for copy formulas any text part copy handle black square for selection for double zero crossing arrow for move any part. Total marks sum select all subject marks equals to sum 1 plus 1. Select 10 number plus any number. Total marks sum select all subject marks sum 1 plus 1. Excel is the software program created by Microsoft that uses spreadsheets to organize numbers and data with formulas and functions to store, analyze, and report making bills or calculate large amount with formulas. Total marks sum select all subject marks equals to sum 1 plus 1. 8 select one number plus any number. Shift to add a new spreadsheet. Summation add ALT plus equals to add sum select row column percentage total marks into 100 by 5 1 the total exam numbers sum ALT plus equals 1 2 3 double click drag down for giving serial numbers. If 15 greater than 40 pass fail copy paste. If logical text if case 6 greater than 16 if case 6 greater than 50 b greater than b if case 6 greater than 46 c fail. If case 6 greater than 71st if case 6 greater than 62nd if case 6 greater than 54 third if case 6 greater than 50 pass fail. If is greater than 61st if I5 greater than 60 if I5 greater than 50 second if I5 greater than 40 30 if I5 greater than 30 fail. If I5 greater than 60 if I5 greater than 50 b if I40 greater than if I5 greater than 40, C, if I5 greater than 30, D, if I6 greater than 80, if I6 greater than 70, if I6 greater than 60, if third, if I6 greater than 50, E, if I6 greater than 45. Exclamation mark, at least rate, at the rate, at the rate, hashtag dollar pen percent caret and star hyphen dash like underscore double quote comma close curly bracket backspace key colon semicolon open curly bracket open bracket less than comma greater than full stop dot question mark forward slash vertical bar slash pipe backward slash shift CTRL control key window key plus for function key F1 to F12 spacebar enter key delete key. If I5 greater than 40 pass fail marks attendance it count if D6 colon I6P count if D6 colon J6A count if D6 colon I6H max C6 colon H6 min C6 colon H6 bill C2 into D2 E2 into 40 percentage E2 into 33% E2 plus F2 minus G2 K9 minus L9 minus M9 K9 into 0.75 into 100 sum H9 J9 F9 slash 31 slash 8 into IQ F9 slash 31 into G9 count if range criteria designation basic salary attendance salary on attendance overtime over gross salary 0.75 TRA salary in hand designation basic salary salary on attendance overtime over salary gross salary salary in hand मैनेजर अकाउंटेंट ऑफिस एडमिन डेवलपर पास सॉरी क्या है ग्राफिक डिजाइनर फॉर डेवलपर ग्राफिक डिजाइनर ऑफिस एडमिन H6 minus L6 minus M6 minus N6 minus O6 D6 into 6% D6 into 2% H6 into 5% I6 minus J6 D6 plus E6 plus F6 plus G6 D6 into 4% D6 into 3 D6 into 2% staff salary name slash post slash basics slash HRA 2% MA 3% other allowances 4% gross salary working attendance holiday GST life insurance PF advance used net payment product code product name quantity rate amount GST H percent discount 3% net payable amount item store stock sale package total 46 minus 26 plus A6 stock management sheet IFH slash greater than 389 if this H3 greater than 376B count if this 5 colon I5P count if D5 colon I5A count if D6 colon I5H max C5 colon H5 means C5 colon H5. Mouse was invented by Douglas Engelbart in 1976. Icon is based on GUI technology. Scanner is an input device. Computer keyboard is an input device. Computer Literacy Day is celebrated on 22nd December. Optical scanner is an input device. Microphone is an input device. ROM means read-only memory. CTRL plus Z for undo. CTRL plus C for select all. CTRL plus X for CTRL plus Y for WWW stands for World Wide Web. Third generation computer is based on integrated circuits. Hardware represents logical and very tangible components of computer. ARC archive, file name extension. ARP adaptation, pattern recognition processing. ARC ARCnet attendance resource computer network. ARC advanced RISC computer architecture. PRG compressed file name extension. ARP advanced resolution protein. ARPANET advanced research projects agency network. ARQ automatic repeat request. ASCII text file name extension. ASCII American Standard Code for Information Interchange. Synchronous ATM Adobe Typeface Manager. ATM Synchronous Transfer Mode. ATM Automated Teller Machine. AV audio video authenticating verification. AWG American Wire Gauge. BAL Basic Assembly Language. Balloon Balanced Unbalanced Device. BCC Block Check Character. BIOS Basic Input/Output System. Bit Binary Digit. BNC Bayout Nail Camel. PPI Bits per inch. BRI Basic Array Interface. Byte Binary Element Steering. SCAD CAD Computer Compact Design. CC Carbon Copy. CCD Change Coupled Device. Changed Coupled Device. Charged Coupled Device. CCD CFT Cold Cathode Tube. CD Change Disorder Access Color Display Compact Disc. CDMA Code Disc Division Multiplication Access. CDOS Concurrent Desk Operating System. CDR Call Detail Recordable. Some X9 J9F 9 131 into 8 into IQ F9 31 F9 31 into /8 into IQ F9 31 into G9 sum 6 colon S6 D6 into sum S6 colon S6 sum in D6 colon 6 D6 colon 4 6 sum C3 colon G3 HD3 by 5. Serial number, product ID, product name, print out, quantity, rate, price, amount, LT plus H plus MM4, merge sheet, LT plus H plus MM4, merge sheet, sale, purchase sheet, serial number, product code, serial number 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, product code, product ID, rate, price, product, quantity, amount, serial number, product ID, product name, customer information, customer information, product quantity, total price, amount, sale, purchase sheet. What is computer? Computer is an electronic machine that can store, find, and store information, calculate amount, and con- contract other machines. Counteract the machine. What is the use of computer? You can use a computer to type. WordPad. What is WordPad? A WordPad is a simple text formatting software that use to make some notes, resume, and make a document. What is default name? The default name is present at top of the screen, and it is already appear there. What is features? Features are present in bottom of a default name. There are files, name, and view. What is tools? Tools are present in every features line. Home tab up are tools. Subscript control plus equals to superscript. PNG, MS Paint, Excel, SX, XL, SX, MS Excel, PNG, MS Paint, Doc, MS Word, PPTX, MS PowerPoint, Presentation, TXT, MS Notepad, TXT, MS WordPad. Hour formula equals to 1 hour, hours equals to 1 hour equals to 1 hash hour, hash hour equal to 1 hash hour, hash hours equals to 1 hash hours, hash hours, CTR plus 1 hour formula. Serial number, employee ID, name, designation, basic salary, attendance, overtime in hours, overtime salary, net salary, PF 12%, ESI 0.75% salary in hand. Beginners all purpose symbolic instruction code, arithmetic logic unit, BIOS, basic input output device, SSD, compact disk, CD-ROM, compact disk, read-only memory, CPU, central processing unit, CRT, conservative, DVD, digital versatile disk, HD, HTML, dynamic hypertext markup language, HTTP hypertext markup language, HDD hard disk drive, HP, Hewlett Packard development, HTML hypertext markup language, LAN local area network, LCD, liquid crystal LED light emitting diode, PC personal computer, RAM, random access memory, ROM, read-only memory, RPM resolutions, permanent SMPS, switched mode power supply, SVGA, super video graphics array, TV terabytes, UPS, uninterrupted power supply, USB inverter bus, UTP, unshielded twisted pair, video visual display unit, WWW World Wide Web and Wide Area Network, PNG portable network graphics, JPG joint photography experts group. What is OS? Operating system. The operating system manages all of the software and hardware on the computer. It performs basic tasks such as file, memory, and processing and process management. Hardware. What is input device? Input device is a place of equipment used to provide data and control signals of information processing system. Example: keyboard, mouse, scanner, camera, microphone. What is output device? Output piece of equipment / hardware which gives output the result of the input once it is processed. Example: monitors, printers, speakers, etc. What is MS Word? Microsoft Word is a processing program allows for the making of both simple and complex documents. Simple and complex document. What are uses of MS Word? MS Word enables you to do write document and making documents resume to contract it. This is one of the most common used program under the MS Office. Write the name of features present in MS Word and explain home. This helps opinion like font color, font size, font style, alignment, bullets, line spacing, etc. All the basic elements which may need to edit when enable under edit available under the home option. Insert table space shapes, images, charts, header, footers, and page number, etc. Can all the entire in document. They are included in the insert option. Design the template or the design in which you may want your document to be created can be selected under the design option. Housing on an appropriate tab until enhance the appearance of your document. Page layout. Under the page layout tab, option like margins, orientation, document or line size, intent or spacing, etc. Reference. This tab is the most useful for those who are creating our document or writing books or lengthy document. Options like citation, footnote, tables of contents, graphics can be found under these tabs. Mailing. The mailing merge features of MS Word allows you to create tables and letters with personalized input. Preview, spelling check, word count for language translation can be open all that tracked under the review tab. View. Apart from all that above when mentioned features, the page can be set in different view and layers, which can be added and optimized using the view tab on the Word document. Versions and skills are also available for the benefits of the user. PowerPoint. What is PowerPoint? Microsoft PowerPoint is a powerful tool to slideshow presentation program. What are the uses of PowerPoint? PowerPoint can use PowerPoint to create presentation from scratch or a template to add text, images, art, and videos. Select and professional design with PowerPoint design tool. Add the 5 benefits of PowerPoint. Visual appear and aesthetic design, easy to use and assembled, efficient for information organization, enhanced audience engagement, timing. What is presentation? A presentation is the process of communication type taking to an audience, or has a presentation program is a software package used to display information in the form of a suitable slide. So we also know PowerPoint as PPT, Excel. What is rows in right counting? Right counting of rows present in MS Excel. A row in Excel is a horizontal alignment of cells, and it runs from left to right across the worksheet. The total number of rows you have in a spreadsheet is 148,576. What is column and right counting of columns present in MS Excel? Column is a vertical alignment of cells. There are total number of columns. Number of columns you have. The total number of columns you have in a single marksheet is total number of columns you have in the single marksheet is 16384. Column. What is cell? Cells are the boxes you see in the grid of an Excel worksheet. Write the number of formulas present in MS Excel. In Excel, you have 450 and formulas in Excel. 450 plus formulas in Excel. You have 450 plus formulas in Excel. 450 plus formulas. What is a spreadsheet? A spreadsheet is a file that exists of cells in row and column and can help arrange, calculate, and short data in expresses can be numeric values as well as text formulas and reference and person's full name forms. Sorry. MS Excel home insert page layout formula data review MS PowerPoint home insert design image generation transitions animation slide show view MS Point home view MS Paint home view MS WordPad home view MS Notepad file edit format view help MS Word home insert page layout references links mailings reviews OTBS slash total dates 8 into 2 PF BS into 12% by 12 by 100 ESI BS into 0.75 by 100 Saline and NS minus PF minus ESI plus OT equals to salary plus OT ALT plus H plus MM salary on attendance basic salary slash 31 into attendance market overtime salary basic salary slash 31 into slash basic salary slash 31 slash 8 into overtime in hours net salary sum salary net on attendance overtime salary PF basic salary into 12 by 100 ESI basic salary into 0.75 by 100 salary net salary minus PF minus ESI overtime salary in 2 hours basic salary by total attendance into slash 8 into 2 loss amount sum if L9 smaller than 0 per profit amounts J9 minus H9 sum L colon L18 sum J colon minus J18 profit loss formula if I10 greater than G10 per profit if I10 smaller than G10 loss no profit no slash no loss count if F7 colon AL17 L11 count if AL17 F7 AL17A count if C7 AL17 H count if C7 AL17 count salary net salary E7 slash AJ into AJ7 into AN7 max C6 colon H6 min C6 colon H6 sum H9 J9 K9 into 0.75 by 100 K9 minus N9 minus M9 F9 by 31 by 8 into IQ F9 by F9 slash 31 into G9 Y6 minus 26 plus A stock management sheet ALT plus equals to a percentage total number into 100 by 500 total number exam numbers for margin and ALT plus M plus H equals to H3 by 5 staff salary H6 minus L6 minus M6 minus N6 minus 0.6 D6 into 6% D6 into 2% D6 plus into 5% I6 minus J6 D6 plus C6 plus F6 plus G6 D6 into 40% D6 into 39% D6 into 2% if 15 greater than 40 pass fail if K6 greater than 60 A if K6 minus 50 B if K6 minus K6 greater than 46 C. Thank you.